Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix new login location detected on Discord. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open up your Discord application and then click to log in. In here, you need to enter your details like your email or the phone number that you're using to log in. And then of course, you need to put in the correct password. So as for me, I'll be putting my phone number because this is what I'm using when I log in to Discord account. Once you're done, just hit login button. Next step, you need to confirm that you are not a robot. So just go ahead and click that one. Okay, so in here, you'll be needing to enter your confirmation code to verify it's you. So the code will be sent to my phone number that I'm using to log in to Discord. But if you're using your Gmail account, just go ahead and open up your Gmail account and then click to verify your account that it's you, confirming that you are the one who is logging into your Discord account. So just wait for it to load up and then there you go. You have already logged in to your Discord account. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.